When I meet with people asking questions about estate planning, the most common question that I get is, do I need a trust? If you look on the internet, much of the information that you'll find there, it talks about getting a trust, avoiding probate, and the benefits of getting a trust. And I've tried to work through with people the evaluative process as to whether they actually need a trust or not. Most people don't need a trust in order to effectuate the estate plan that they want, and the estate plan that's going to be most effective for them. But because of all the information that you see on the internet, then they think, oh, I've got to have a trust because that's the information that's out there. Well, then I found this piece of information not long ago. This is a brochure that the Idaho State Bar produced, and it asks that fundamental question: do you really need a living trust? And I was fascinated to look at all the points, and there's 11 different points that they have in this wonderful brochure that explain why a living trust isn't a fit for everyone. And as a matter of fact, why most people don't need a living trust. It's not necessarily in your benefit to have one. And we try to help people work through that process for them individually to figure out what do they really need, and then get them that for their estate plan, as opposed to saying, oh, well, let's just give you a trust and that'll solve it. Most people in getting it, in having a trust, don't even really understand what it does, why they have it, how it's helping them, or if it's helping them at all. And most often people end up spending thousands of dollars on estate planning documents that don't really meet the needs that they have. We try to help people to get what it is that they need.